Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Allison and I help all of you to achieve a more elegant and feminine lifestyle. So today I'm in a very exciting place. I might be looking a little bit disheveled because it's move-in day for me. I've been waiting for this day for so long, but finally I found a room in London that I'm moving into, and today's the first day that I get the keys. So I've come with not too much stuff, but a couple of things. The most important thing really was the tape measure because I wanted to take some measurements, see what I need, what's going to fit, and just evaluate the space that I have because I only saw it once during the viewing and the girl was living here, so I wasn't really whipping out the tape measure, but I'm super excited and I'm going to have so much content on how I update and redo this room to make it my perfect dream room. My room is so important to me. I honestly feel like I can't work or do anything or have any motivation unless my space feels good and it makes me feel good. So there's going to be a lot of content coming your way of redoing this space, but I wanted to get a video of the first day before I've done anything so that you see what it is, basically bare bones. So here's the door where you come in, and then right away you see the bed. There's just a bunch of stuff on it. And this wall, and I love how high the ceilings are and the molding on the ceiling. It makes it look so nice. Really, one of the things that drew me to this room was the wardrobes. Can you believe all that space? Thank God I'll have somewhere to put all my clothes. That was super important. So there's a little vanity set up here, and there's nothing really in them yet. I brought over some hangers and I just hung up the coat that I wore here, but I'm really excited for this space because it'll be a great little place to do my makeup. So I have to find a stool that fits there. And the other amazing part of this room are these windows. I mean, let me step back so you can get a full view of them. They kind of go around this little nook in the front of the room. The rest of the room is pretty bare. I'm going to be painting it pink, obviously, doing some painting to these wardrobes, maybe changing some of the knobs, and it is very exciting to begin this process. I've already bought a few things, but I haven't put anything in yet. So I moved the bed around a bit, but definitely decided this is the best spot for it. This was the original spot. Obviously, there's no bedding or anything on it. I tried it against this wall, but it just didn't exactly look great. I thought about putting it in the windows, but decided against it because it might be chilly or hot or whatever it is, and there are bugs. So this is definitely a great space for the bed. I really want to change the light fixture. I really don't like it. I mean, it's fine, but I want a chandelier. But I don't know how to change a light fixture, but I feel like a lot of people do it, so it can't be that hard. I just got to look up a video and put on my DIY hat. So I just took off these little brackets. I'm guessing they're for the curtains, but they're not being used anymore. So I took them off, and underneath I found this amazing wallpaper, which I guess is underneath the paint. It looks like there's a couple layers there, so I'm not exactly sure. But on the other side also, it's kind of the same style, but kind of a different style. I think it's really cute. I'm not about to take off all the paint and discover this wallpaper, but it's cute that I got to see, oops, what was there originally. Also, can we talk about this gorgeous knob? I love the vintage details in this house, and it's such a funny shaped door too. It's like kind of really tall, but also kind of short, but I don't care. I love it. And the other side has really nice dark wood. It's amazing. Hello, I'm back at the apartment. Today I'm going to be doing some, I don't know, construction things, I suppose, hence the amazing outfit. But there are just some things like these nails in the wall I want to fix up. Also, I don't know exactly what's going on with these curtain rods, so I'm going to get on the step ladder and try to sort it out, make it a little cleaner, because I want to paint this weekend, which is very exciting. So I want to make sure that the walls and everything is prepped and looks nice and smooth before I go in with the paint. So we finished painting the walls yesterday and I'm really happy with the way they came out. It's like the perfect blush pink color and it has just enough gray in it that it's not too bright, but just enough pink in it that it doesn't get lost. It looks really great right where the sun shines on it. You could really see the color and ignore all those crazy wires. And back here it's definitely a little darker because there's not as much light back there. But I think once everything's on the wall, once the bed is set up, it'll look so beautiful. And obviously all the yellow tape in the newspaper needs to be cleaned up. So this is where the old knobs were. They're pretty ugly. They're over here. And I got new knobs to put on this, but I've already painted over it twice. I put spackle to cover the other holes, and it still is so obvious that it's not properly painted. I'm definitely gonna do a couple more coats, and from far away it doesn't look horrible, but I don't know, I feel like it's pretty obvious. So I guess I'll just keep putting more coats on until it looks okay, but it's kind of an annoying problem to have. Okay, I finished at a really good point today. The pink looks amazing. I moved the bed back to where it was supposed to be. This I painted all the inside over there, so it looks super fresh and really nice. I vacuumed half the floor. It was a hard job, so I only did half for now. And I got this gorgeous desk. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed with it. I might like repaint it, I'm not sure. It's in pretty good condition, but it could be like touched up a bit. But I just love the style of it, and I'm super happy with how it looks in the windows, and once the curtains are down it'll look really nice, but they're just up so I could clean in the corners and for the paint and things like that. But I'm really happy with how it's coming along. The color looks so dark on camera, but here you can kind of tell it's like a really nice pale pink. Okay, so I'm having a dilemma because it's really not a big deal. Because I unpacked my suitcase and I sorted everything into piles, so like skirts, dresses, sweaters, pants. I organized it by the type of item it was, but now I don't know how to put them back in the closet. I think I'm gonna start with the dresses because those are definitely going in the hanging space, and try to work my way backwards from there. I guess I would say that this one wardrobe in the corner, the knob got a little messed up, so it's not on yet. But that's probably the hardest one to reach just because you have to go in by the bed, which is not a big deal. It's not hard to reach. So I was thinking maybe I'll put my turtlenecks there because I won't need to reach them that much. But then I was thinking, should I put my shoes there because there are some really nice shelves and I can like display my shoes on that. Maybe I can do both. I don't know. I'll see, and you'll find out. Okay, I thought I'd show you the progress, coming along really well. This is short sleeve summer shirts. I folded up my sweaters, and those are cardigans and more lightweight sweaters and things like that. And this is all the way in the furthest closet. That's gonna be like workout gear and leggings and stuff down there. Here I have jeans, shorts, and mini skirts. And then up here I have summer tops and other things that need to be hung. I'd ideally like to hang all of my summer tops, the rest of the ones that are on that shelf, but I ran out of hangers, so I had to fold them for now. I don't know, I just don't really like things folded. I don't know why. Anyway, there's me, hello. And then here we have winter dresses and then summer dresses, and I'm putting my midi skirts in here that, I don't know, it's just gonna stay there for now. Just, I don't know, storage. And then in here, I was able to put my coats and my shoes. And this is also the door that has a mirror, so I can just check my appearance out right before I leave. And I kind of like that it's tucked away all in here. And now I just have to clean up the rest of this mess. So I did a little Poundland haul, and for those that don't know, it's basically the same thing as the dollar store. Pretty much everything is just £1, and I was able to get really good stuff there. It's very exciting. My first Poundland trip. These I actually already opened. They're just microfiber cloths I was using to clean. And then I got this little pack of cards and envelopes because I'm always running out of envelopes. I got some tissues, a little pink duster, these really intense brushes, which will be great for cleaning. I got some antibacterial wipes, some laundry detergent. This is like a disinfectant for pretty much everything. It says hard and soft surfaces, and it smells really nice. I've already sprayed it on my mattress just to freshen it up. Some feminine products, which actually aren't from Poundland. These two things aren't from Poundland, but I just put them next to the bathroom stuff. I got some Band-Aids, toothpaste, Q-tips, mouthwash, hand soap, a detox shampoo, and this is caulk, which this entire thing was literally £1, and it's a nice size. So I got that because there's some things I want to fix up in the bathroom. I got paper towel, toilet paper, some snacks, brownie mix, I couldn't resist, some plastic bags, and just some other snacks. And all of this was £30. How amazing is that? So I think I'm going to end things here. There'll definitely be a part 2 with all the decorations and things like that, but I've gotten really far and I'm really happy with the way the room is coming together. It definitely feels like my own now. I have my little desk there, and I put my suitcase there also. That I literally just hung up for fun. It's my new skirt. But most of the handles are on. Pretty much all my clothes are unpacked and organized in the wardrobes. I have a nice vanity seat, and tonight I'm going to be putting the bedding on the bed and sleeping here for the first night. I vacuumed the entire carpet, like I said, and you would have seen we painted everything, and today I did a really big cleanup job also. So it's very exciting. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2, where you will finally see the room come together. It's definitely going to be a work in progress and be done over time. Like, I know there are still projects that I want to do, but getting this far has been a journey. So thank you for taking that with me. Be sure to tune in to next week's video. And thank you all so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.